This is Sai Pranendra from SQL School. This short session is about the new batch update for our very useful a resume decider course, Azure Data Engineering, over 19 years of technical expertise, completely on Microsoft technologies. We have been dedicated to provide the best quality standards of technology learning activities. This particular Azure Data Engineering, the new batch starting from Jan 16, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. India time, free demo on Jan 15th, or you may opt for 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. slot, new batch from Jan 22nd, and the free demo on Jan 21st. You may choose any one. In this particular Azure Data Engineering course, we are going to learn right from the scratch, right from the basics of ETL, extract, transform, load activities, open source ETL, Microsoft branded ETL, and data warehouse concepts, open source data warehouse and Microsoft data warehouse. We have both in our classes to suit your resume needs. And what more, this particular classes includes good amount of topics technically with examples like data factory, data lake, stream analytics, Databricks, and additionally we have IoT, Internet of Things, event hubs, and monitoring activities, alerts, notifications, CICD pipelines, DevOps concepts. It also includes logic apps, Azure Purview, and real-time project. If our interviewer asks us what we did in the project, what are the challenges we faced in the project, yes, our course has specific, straightforward, eye contact answer for you. What more you are waiting for? Let's meet for a live demo session. Let's meet as soon as possible. Call us or reach us on our website sqlschool.com. Let's interact for 1 or 2 sessions. Let's understand more about our resume needs and the job prospects. Thank you so much and see you there. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.